Hey everyone, I've recently seen some videos of people using these hooks as little flies for fly fishing. Right now, what I have to make this is this little hook, small J hook, some of this random kite string that I found, these locking pliers that I can use to hold the hook in place while I work on it, and this is some of these random little green hairs that I cut off this type of lure. The idea is that we wrap the kite string around the hook, and while wrapping around it, we can put some of this around to make like a little bright green looking like fly thing. They look kind of like little flies or bugs that have fallen into the water. So I've mounted the locking pliers onto the hook. I'm going to use this little white paper towel just to show you the hook. I'm just going to start by like lapping the whole thing basically until like about this part, just going around. I'm just going to do a square knot. That's a pretty small square knot. So I've just went around covering this whole thing. Now I'm going to try to add some of that fluff, green fluff. I chose green because I thought it would be better than white. Just gonna roll it out. Is this too long? I think that's too long. Put it on top. Ooh. Something's up. Yay, it's on. So, I have just gotten most of the little hairs. So I'm gonna try to clean up this end. It's kind of looking funny, and I don't think any fish would want to eat that. It's really thin on the fur. So I'm just gonna add a bunch more fluff to the end. Like here. Yeah, that looks like a fly. I'm gonna like wrap it around like a little X. Oh, that's cool. I think that's gonna be it. So I'll cut it off and tie it. How do I tie this? Here's a finished little fly. That's a really weird looking fly. Now I'm just gonna time lapse me making one or two more. Okay, y'all, this is the second fly. It's it's basically the same thing, just a little longer hairs, and I put in a few white hairs as well. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna hunt down some crappies in a bigger lake.